Hi everybody, it's Gardener Julia here. We are back for another virtual garden lesson. First, I want to welcome you into our garden. Today, I'm at the Menlo Park School Garden, and this is where we're going to be spending most of our time. Today, we have a very fun and special topic to talk about, but it is a secret, and you have to solve my riddle to figure out what it is. Can you guess based off of my 4 clues? Clue number 1, I am something that is alive, but I am not a person. 2, I drink the rain, and I get my food from the air and the sunshine. Clue 3, my feet live in the ground. Are you figuring out who I might be? And my 4th and final clue is that I love working with bees. What am I? If you guessed a plant, then you would be correct. Today we're going to be learning about plant parts and the specific jobs that each of those parts play for a plant. We are going to do a little dress up, we're going to sing a song, and then we are going to go on a plant part scavenger hunt. Before we start, I want to show you the sign language sign for plant. Here it goes. Plant. It's almost like a little plant growing. A cool thing is that the word plant is also the same word for grow. All right, now we know what we are talking about today. We are talking about plants and their various parts. And oh my friends, I am not feeling actually very human-like today. I actually feel my body is changing. I think my body is changing into a plant. Will you all help me successfully turn into a plant, please? I need to remember what the 6 different plant parts are. Can you help? Oh, I can feel my toes and my feet starting to change. Oh, I think my feet are going to turn into our first plant part. Can you tell me what is the plant part that is at the bottom of the plant? It is what is anchoring the plant to the ground. Roots, yes. My feet are changing into these tangly roots here. Now I have my roots, and my roots are soaking up water and drinking up nutrients for the rest of my plant body. They are also anchoring me to the ground so that I don't topple over. All right, next up, I feel the center of my body is changing. What is the tall, green, skinny part of the plant called? The stem, yes. Here is my big green stem. I can feel my stem now. What does the stem do for the plant? My new stem is helping to transport the water from my roots and send it to the rest of my plant parts. Now with my stem, I also feel like I can stand up nice and tall. All right, the 3rd part of my plant body is the part that sticks out to the sides. They are wide and flat. My leaves. Can you tell me, what do you think leaves do for a plant? Leaves are kind of like the mouth for the plant. So plants actually eat the sun. Plants soak up the sunshine on their leaves and turn that sunshine into energy for their bodies. All right, now I have my root stems and leaves. The next part is normally bright and colorful, and its job is to attract bees and other pollinators. Can you think of what it might be? The flower! So here is my flower I am putting onto my head. A flower's job is to attract pollinators so that a bee or a pollinator can take pollen from another flower and drop it onto my flower so that my flower can become pollinated. That is why they are so bright and colorful. It's to catch the eye of bees and other pollinators. When my flower finally gets pollinated, can you tell me, what does that flower turn into? Flowers, they turn into fruits. So here is my fruit. Apparently, my type of plant grows oranges. So here are 5 of our 6 plant parts. I have my roots, stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Now, our final plant part is something that you can find inside of fruits. What are the teeny tiny things that this fruit is protecting on the inside? Seeds! Here is an avocado pit, which is a giant seed. Can you tell me why are seeds so important? Seeds are the start of new plant life. I wonder if you can find objects around your house to dress up like a plant just like me. All right, my friends, now that we have dressed up and we have learned about the 6 different plant parts, I want us to learn a little song to help us remember those words. We know them, but we need to remember them. There are movements that we are going to do with our hands and bodies. You can also just repeat after me with the words. So stand up and do it with me. The first time you are going to repeat after me, and the second time we do it, we're going to do it all together. It goes like this. When I say a word, repeat after me. Roots, stems, leaves, flower, fruit, and seeds. Again. Roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruit, and seeds. And then it goes, that's 6 parts. That's 6 parts. That's 6 plant parts that plants and people need. And then you go, oh yeah. All right, let's do this one together. So sing with me. Roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruit, and seeds. Again, roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. That's 6 parts. That's 6 parts. 6 plant parts that plants and people need. Oh yeah. Can you try it even faster than that? Let's see. Roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. That's 6 parts. 6 parts. 6 plant parts that plants and people need. Oh yeah. I hope that you remember that song and use it whenever you forget what the 6 plant parts are. Now that we know our plant parts, let's head on inside and do a little plant part scavenger hunt. You can do this plant part scavenger hunt in your kitchen, or you can go outside into a backyard, a park, on a walk to see if you can find all 6 different plant parts. Thank you all so much for joining me in the garden today and learning about plant parts. It's definitely one of my favorite topics. If you found any plant parts in your kitchen or on a walk, either take a picture of it, make a video of you explaining what you found to me and your teachers so we know if you found anything. I'll see you all next month. Bye!